Janae's Closet is an online boutique shop that sells apparel, clothing for women and men. We sell purses, earrings, hats, anything you can think of, shoes, even home decor. We got some stuff for your bed, your bath. We got everything. Anything you want, we got. Yeah, we're actually having a site-wide 20% off sale off all orders when you use the code SUMMER20. Yes, when you use the code SUMMER20 between now and September 15th, you'll get 20% off all your orders. But today, we're doing an unboxing video on our Urban Graffiti collection. Yes, I can't wait. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing we have here looks like a tote bag. Yes. And actually, these tote bags look really cute, and I just can't wait to open them. Let's see what they look like. Yeah, into that. Let's put them. There's a tape on it. Never been opened before. Ooh. Oh, this is adorable, y'all. Look at this. This is adorable. Got the like Urban Graffiti, hip hop, and Urban Graffiti, literally, okay? Print on this press like a suede. The feel is like a how would you say it? Like a suede leather, kind of like, yeah. Has a zipper, like, this big zipper right here. So let's see how it looks on the inside. Ooh. Okay, so it's pretty big. You can see, like, on the inside, it's pretty big. It does have a zipper. I'll show you that. It does have a zipper in the inside. It has a little inside pocket that you can fit, and has two pockets, two small pockets. You can see that, two small pockets here, and it's pretty deep. It is, it's pretty deep. So and handles are made from like this suede material, so this looks pretty decent, and I love it. Okay, it's pretty. So, nice size handbag. Okay. Now let's move on to our next item. Okay. Now I think this is a dress. If I'm not mistaken, this is a dress. Yes, it is. Let's see here. See what kind of dress it is. Here off the package. Okay. Ooh, it's a hella hustle dress. I'll have to come back and try on all these dresses for you guys to see how they look. But this is pretty much how it looks. Yes, and this is the back. It's cross, you know, cross. Straps cross in the back. This is the halter dress, of course. This is the overall look of the dress. I think it's pretty bomb. Yeah. So yeah, it has the white slip underneath, so it won't be so sheer, so it won't be like able to see through. So yeah, I think that's real cute. That's real bomb. I have to come back and try on all of these dresses for you and let you know how they look and how they feel on your skin. Okay, this is the body contrast. This is definitely the body contrast. So. Okay, so how to dress. If you want to show off your legs, that's definitely the dress for you. But if you want to show off your curves, the bodycon dress is definitely for you ladies. So this is so fly. So fly to me. This is so fly. So cute. This is how it looks from the back. And this is how it looks from the front. Now this is the jacket. You can tell. The Urban Graffiti ladies bomber jacket. So, as you know, summer's unfortunately coming to a close. I know, right? So, do it for the fall and get you some jackets. I got plenty of hoodies and jackets and sweaters and stuff to get you prepped and ready for the fall. I've got beanies, y'all. I got y'all covered, okay? I got you covered. Just check out Janae's Closet at janaesclosetshop.com. Look at the jacket. Look at this is bomb, y'all. Look at the jacket. This is the front, the jacket, and this is the back. Okay? And remember, all of the most of the women's apparel starts in size extra small and goes all the way up to 2XL or double XL. And don't worry, we've definitely got a pair for the fellas as well. Okay, so this is how it looks on the inside. You can unzip the jacket, so at least I can always put on the jacket and see how that feels. Oh, and it's a nice fit. So, get my hair out of the way. Okay, and it has pockets too, y'all. So, you know, it's like really, really nice material and just really nice on those cooler days that are coming up pretty soon, because we almost at September. So yeah, y'all, this is definitely a nice look. Okay, and last but not least, ooh, these are nice. Okay, these are the back to show you guys the front. Sorry. Yeah. Okay, so it's the elastic waistband, so it does, it's leggings, so of course they stretch. So it's definitely a good stretchy material. So even when you do wash these, they shouldn't wear off. Like, you know, you wash clothes and then they stretch out, but no, these are definitely a good elastic stretchy material that'll last, and it's very durable, very comfortable. So yeah, so just stay tuned. I'm going to try on all of these things to let you guys know how they look, so you can check them out for yourself. The look with the jacket and the leggings. How the bodycon dress looks from the Urban Graffiti line. Okay, so this is the last look of the day, and this is the women's high-low halter dress. Okay, this is how it looks, and there are cross straps in the back, and they are adjustable, just like bra straps are in the back, so you can adjust to your liking. Okay, ladies? like any of these looks that I just showed today, all of these looks can be found at Janae's Closet, at Janae'sClosetShop.com. Fly Urban Apparel for your unique style. Bye.
That's right. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to make no time to waste. For the record, for the record, for the record, for the record. Been a little too nice, now I gotta up price.